If you're planning to eat this way, your oats, make sure you cool it really well, as good as ice cream. You will love it. Weather looks so good, so good. Seriously, it's not raining and it's not sunny, and it's actually 4 o'clock in the evening. And yes, I've heard some people are trying to look for aliens. Yeah, that's in the news. All they're gonna get is I come in peace. Okay, with that said, let's start today's vlog. Today is Independence Day. You will see this vlog next day, obviously. I was not gonna actually vlog today. Yes, the plan was something else. I was gonna first Actually, I didn't have tea for 2 days, and today the tea was well made. Today was domestication. Yes, today was home day. Yes, cleaning, mopping, utensils, lot of clothes for laundry. I had lot of work, so I thought today I will not actually vlog. But then guess what happens? Alright, I was feeling empty. Now that I've got this habit of vlogging regularly, I was like, no man, I should vlog for my buddies who are watching my channel regularly. In fact, I will not disclose the name. There's one person who messaged me, who meets me in Ridermania. I hope he's watching my vlog. He's like, hey bro, you know what, you have difficulties with your camera, manually doing all this, take my camera, use it. That is such a sweet gesture. You know, your own friends won't do that for you, right? Sometimes. Yeah, so if any of my friends are watching this, don't come and give me a camera or something like that. I don't expect. I'm just trying to tell you that it was a very sweet gesture by that person. So I'm sure you guys already saw that I took the Dominar 250 for a couple of days. In fact, today is day 2. Also, the reason of not vlogging today was very simple. Yesterday I did lot of rain riding. What footage you all saw yesterday's vlog was very minimal because I removed my GoPro. So today again, the weather is nice. It, you know, light shower and stuff like that, and we thought we'll not shoot the bike today. So today's vlog is not bike related. So as you can see, last night I was editing till 4 in the morning. Yes guys, till 4 in the morning. And I was also trying to sort my mic issue which you all faced yesterday. Yep, so I've removed my entire mic system from my helmet, and guess where will I go to add the insulation? Siddhant! And then he's like, I heard about your mic thing. I'm like, yeah man, my mic is busted. I just need an insulation. So you know the heat shield which we have, we're gonna try with that. If not, we'll use some special thing. Okay, I'm sure this happens with you guys also, you know, when all technical problems happen on one day. Okay, let me explain it. I'm sure you guys must be like, you know, this guy keeps crying about his thing. Just go and get something. Like go and buy a camera, go and buy a laptop. It's very easy to say that. Yeah, I'm sure you guys see other vloggers buying everything just like that. Well, it's challenging, alright. Even they have worked real hard. So my problem here is, except for that crow is right now next to my window, my problem here is not only my camera, it is also my MacBook Air. Now there's no problem with my MacBook Air. In fact, I'm gonna sell it when I buy a new one. There's not at all any problem. It's just that it's MacBook Air, and nowadays I use a little heavier files for video. You know, things have changed. You know, even the rendering options given by FCP are much higher when it comes to 1080p, when it comes to FPS. Everything has changed. So I have a MacBook Air which is i5, and it was one of the best back then. So you know, I'm very happy with it. It's sleek and it's done all my videos so far. I don't know how many. So it has taken everything. This is really good and I'm happy with it. But I know that I'm gonna upgrade my camera. I know I'm gonna upgrade my GoPro 2 in future. You know, so these things will take time for rendering. My problem is nothing with the software. My problem is nothing with my laptop, which is really cool. In fact, I can do a 4-year review over a MacBook Air and let you guys know this machine is amazing. So don't underestimate a MacBook Air over a Pro, but it all depends what your work is. That'll be a separate topic. If you guys want, comment down below. So I'm clubbing the comment section in today's vlog. Okay, like I got a comment for, yes, please review your car, your brother's car makeover. Some people advise don't paint your car during rains. I already know that, and that's why we created a chamber where it can go inside. We put heat bulbs. There's lots to it. With my father, I've learned a lot about cars. My dad has owned cars like anything. There was a time we used to have 14 cars. parked all together, you know. So yeah, I have a lot of car experience when it comes to painting, denting and everything. Anyways, so I will do that video because you guys have commented down. I will do that video for the makeover of my brother's car. That will happen soon. And holding a camera with one arm is really painful. Yeah, so my plan is simple, that I'll be doing some tech talks, maybe some tech products, completely based on what I like. It's not gonna be that it has been sponsored, that's why I'm forcibly doing it. So rendering gets a little slower on this machine. You know, if I could render on a MacBook Pro 2020 in like say 15 minutes, this would take half an hour, or even in fact more than half an hour, like 35 minutes or something like that. So this challenge happens, and this only happens because of the heavy video files. I will have to sell this and get a new MacBook Pro, which is very expensive. I think around 1,25,000 or so. So that's added to my list with the camera, with the GoPro. One thing I learned in my experience of 3-4 years, and I'm sure you guys already know about this, that if you are a digital nomad or a vlogger or anything to do with audio visuals, make sure you keep upgrading your machines or cameras regularly, because this is what we are doing and this is what we need to invest in. And I think this light has become too bright. Actually, it's not this light which has become too bright, it's actually the outside light going down. So let's give it a nice feel. So well, this was a quick chat about my tech section. Now let's move on. And few people asking for my home studio tour. Still pending, stay tuned. Now if you see one helmet missing here is actually given to Abhideep. Okay, so let me show you all this. Today I don't have to worry for the rains because I'm going in my car, so that's pretty sorted. So people who have not seen my very old vlogs, this is what I used to use. Now I use a Sena 10R. Now this happened during my Mumbai Kanyakumari ride, but unfortunately we got this done after we came back from the ride. And I was like, Sid, let's put the speakers somehow close to my mic so that people can hear a interface. They can even hear you know, while we're doing the ride. And he's like, damn, that's easy, I'll work on it. EDM जो है, electronic DIY manager of mine. This is what actually comes with VNet. There are two speakers and this is the mic. Fantastic, my camera went off. Oh ho ho ho, amazing. On its own it says it detected error, restart again. You all are feeling me, right? Like we are growing together with my vlogs. You all should know that what I'm going through. And I know ये बहुत छोटी चीजें हैं, but for me small things matter. Anyways, coming back to this quickly. So what Sid did is I kind of gave him an idea that, Sid, can you actually take, you know, the earbuds from any old earphones, okay? Because you can hear things. Can you make an interface? And obviously I create ideas and Sid executes it. So you see the teamwork. So what he did is he added this speaker thing. Now what I have to do this is, when I fix this on my empty helmet, I have to make sure that I keep these speakers next to my mic. So whoever's using a VNet phone or pairing with me, whenever he'll speak, the mic will take all the audio of even that person. So it's like an interface. So you will be able to hear me from the mic, you'll be able to hear the rider buddy who's talking, or maybe 5 more riders who are chatting. You'll be able to hear the chat clearly. You know, I can shift one of these speakers closer to the mic and it can really solve that problem too. However, I'll be only listening from one ear, which is a bit challenging. So he created an interface which is more clear. So there are total actually 4 speakers, okay? 2 which will go near my ears and 2 will go near the mic. So that is an awesome DIY done. Thanks to the rains that we can't test it today. Today was the day actually we were gonna do this, me and Abhideep, because we have the Dominar, we have the Interceptor. We both thought we'll go for a ride, we'll motor vlog, and y'all will hear everything and we'll speak. We were trying to do something very different today. The review was supposed to be very different, but anyways, I hope you guys understand, and I'm just sharing my plans and my ideas which I created. So tomorrow I'm going to hook this on Abhideep's helmet without a doubt. So this and this goes on Abhideep's helmet. I have another pair which will go on my helmet, and I already have the headset inside. I'm super excited to do this experiment and motovlog with it and make you guys hear us talking. I know it's a small thing, but for me it's good. Okay, so I got wet again. I didn't take the umbrella, my mistake. I took a shower again. Now heading towards sun.